If you want to see how I got this awesome shirt, this is just one of the shirts that I did. Stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Jen of All Trades, and today I want to show you a little trick that I'm going to try. I was looking on Wish to do another Wish haul, at wish.com, my Wish app. So I was looking through the clothing items, these shirts and things, to see what would be good for me to get for my next Wish haul, because I do want to do another one of those very soon. So I'm looking to order some things, and I come across these shirts, which I'm gonna put there. So the first one's here. The designs, there's the first one, and here's the second one, there. So they have these designs on them, super easy. Looks like they were cut out of, just like with scissors, like someone just took a regular shirt and like cut this crap out of it. And especially in this, you can see through the customer review, it really looks like someone just took scissors and cut the design in the shirt. So I was like, all right, instead of waiting months for an item to come in and spending multiple dollars, whether it's a couple of bucks. I mean, these shirts are like $5. So with shipping and all of that, could be between $7 and $10 per shirt. So it's like, instead of even wasting or spending any of this money, why not take some of the shirts that I have and try to recreate the look? Because, and it might even be a better quality than the one from Wish, because it's not a cheapo shirt from China. So I'm gonna try that now. Yeah, so watch me do that. Alrighty, so here is my lovely shirt. All you need is the shirt and a pair of scissors. So what I did is fold it in half and get the sleeves as flat as possible. An iron would be ideal, but I couldn't find mine. So you line up the seam just like I just showed you. Just make sure it's all as even and as flat as possible, because you're going to be cutting, or what I did is I cut through both sleeves at the same time, so the same design would be even on both sleeves. Now once you have the shirt the way that you need it to be, then what I did is I got a Sharpie and I drew the design of, you know, the cutouts on it. You can kind of hardly see it with the black. But right there in the bottom, I did a curve, and then at the top was about 1/2 inch from the seam. And then to the top one is like a little triangle piece for my shoulder. So now I get to the fun part, and I can just cut my pieces out of the sleeves. And now that the sleeves are cut, it's beautiful. Now you can open up the shirt, and I just decided to do something a little bit extra because I'm extra. So I poked holes in it, and you know, that's kind of like a new kind of like the moth-eaten kind of effect, is like a new fashion statement now, but I wanted to try it because I don't have anything like that. So I just proceeded to poke random little groupings of holes in the shirt. This is the final result of the first one. So yeah, I think it looks really freaking awesome. Yes, guys! This turned out so good. I'm like, this is so good. I love it. And I love the holes. Like, I want to put more holes in this. It's freaking awesome, and I love it. Oh my gosh, it turned out so good. I'm so freaking happy that I did not waste my time and money ordering with Wish. This is a much nicer shirt. Now on to the second one. Yay! With this one, it is pretty much the same process. Get the shirt as flat as possible, preferably with an iron, and draw with a Sharpie where you want the cutouts to be. I actually just used a piece of mail that happened to be close by as a straight edge for the lines, so yeah. And then once you have your lines and everything drawn, then just cut them out like normal, just follow the lines. And there may be some places where you just have to go back and adjust like little corners that need to be evened out and that kind of thing, but that's a pretty easy process. So this is the final result of the beginning of the shirt, and now I just need to do the sleeves. Same process as before, just fold it in half so you can get the sleeves lined up as evenly as possible, especially with the stitching at the top of it and then as well as the end of the sleeves. For the sleeves, I did cut them at an angle, but I don't think that that's really necessary. That's just what I did. And then you just, again, draw with the Sharpie where you want to cut. And then once you get the Sharpie drawn on there for your design, then you can go ahead and start cutting out the pieces. And this is the result of the second one. I'm again so freaking excited, like, yes! Although the cleavage is a little more than I would like, so as an alternative here, you can wear a cami or something underneath of this design if you don't want to show all that cleavage and stuff. I just happen to have a red one on, so that's what I'm wearing. Oh my gosh, okay. Woo! This is a little bit bigger than what I would have liked, but overall, like, this turned out so good, like so much better than I was even thinking in my head. I apologize for my eye, like I have a watery eye situation, so this makeup just always like smears on the side of my face. But anyways, I am just like so freaking stoked right now because these like turned out so amazing, like yes. Definitely try this if you have any shirts laying around, or you can even go to like Goodwill or a thrift store. Find a cheap shirt and cut it up and try it, because this was just really awesome. Like I'm very, very happy with the way that these have turned out. Like it's just awesome. And you can do so many more designs and shirt like cutting and poking holes and all kinds of different things. So this is so awesome. So this is a really great way to repurpose things that you have laying around that you wouldn't otherwise be wearing. So now I have 2 new shirts. Like, yes, this is so awesome. Well, I hope you guys like it. Give this video a thumbs up if you thought this was helpful or cool or whatever. You want to try it. Let me know in the comments if you try and how yours turned out. If you have any other ideas that I could try, because I really like this. This is awesome. So yeah, thank you wish.com for giving me the idea. This is pretty cool. So yeah, and subscribe for more awesome videos, and I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.